Good afternoon. This is Hitesh from Anup Python Academy. So today we back with some another problem statement from data lemma, which is based on SQL. This question may be asked in SQL interview. So let's see what is the description. So given a table of candidates with their skills, okay. So you are to ask that finding the candidate best suited for open data science job. You want to find candidates who are proficient in Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. Okay. So we have to write a query to list the candidate who possess all of the required skill. Okay. So we have to find out those candidates, those who have all three skill for a job, and sort the output by candidate ID in ascending order. Okay. So assumption is there. There are no duplicates in the candidate table. Candidate is a name of table along with their description is there. We have two column, candidate ID and skill. Candidate ID is of integer type and skill is of varchar type. Table data is given to us 1 2 3. These are the candidate ID, those who have Python, Tableau and PostgreSQL also. 2 3 4 is another candidate ID. They have skill R, Power BI, SQL Server. Another candidate is there. Their ID is 345. They have Python and Tableau. So we have to write a query here. So basically, in this type of query, we will do common table expression where we write a one query and assign to a one word, and based on that one common table name, we will use select query. Okay. So let's start. So always keep in mind while we are writing common table expression, that is always begin with the with keyword. With, now here we use common table name. So here we use data science skill. Data science skills. This is a common DS skills. This is a uh, common table expression, and inside we will use query. So we will find select. We will find candidate ID. Candidate select candidate ID. Skill from name of the table. What is the name of table here? Candidate. Though we find those candidates, they have where Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. So for that we will pass condition by using where clause. Where skill. See, whenever we require only one condition, so for that we will use where skill and equal to. But whenever we require multiple conditions, so for that we will use here in clause. In Python, Tableau. Next is a PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL. So we have write the common table expression. Now the here the name of the common table expression is ds underscore skill. So with the help of ds underscore skill, we are write the select query. So for that select uh, from ds underscore skills which column we want as an output. So we want only candidate id, so for that we will write here candidate id. Group by candidate id, because uh, si- uh, single candidate can may have multiple skills, so for that we want their skills should be grouped. For that we will group by their candidate id. Now we have to pass condition. So condition may be passed by using, whenever we use group by, so after group by it doesn't apply where clause. So whenever we require to pass a condition after the group by, so for that we will use here having clause, having count. So count of skill, if the see here skill, we are passing the under the skill three types of value, that is Python, Tableau and PostgreSQL. Whenever the same candidate have skill are three, then we want to find out their, then we want to print their candidate id. Okay, so we have to passing the skill whenever the length of the skill is 3. So for that we will passing the skill column within the count. Count is a aggregate function in SQL. So whenever the count of skill is 3, that means a same candidate, those who possess 3 skill including Python, Tableau and Power BI, we have to display those candidate ID and with semicolon. Now we will run this query. Yeah, here we are getting 2 candidate. Okay, suppose if we are apply here limit 1, then see what we will get. 1 2 3. So limit 1 is applied whenever we want only first row. Okay, now we will see, we want to submit it. Okay, so they are saying your query output doesn't match. Okay, so in expected they want, we have to find out fetch 2 candidate id, those who possess the all 3 skills. But here while applying, due to applying the limit keyword, they are showing only first row. Okay, let's run it now. We will see whether we will get expected or not. Okay, so here we will get the 2 candidate id 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 and 147. So see here 1 2 3 candidate id, they have skill Python, Tableau and PostgreSQL. And 147 is not given here, but somewhere in the table they have this candidate, those who id is 147, they have possessed all three skill, that is Python, Tableau and PostgreSQL. Okay, so this is for today. If you have any query regarding this problem statement, please do comment us. Please subscribe the channel. So basically in this problem statement you have to apply common table expression, and you have to use proper group by statement and having clauses there. So rest of all the queries easy. If you have any doubt regarding this, please do comment us. This is of today. Sign off. Thank you. Have a nice day.